Seated barbell shoulder press. Strengthen the deltoid, tricep and upper chest muscle. Sit on the bench with back supported and selecting a lightweight and hold the barbell at shoulder width. Keeping the hands forward, press the barbell above the head with control form. Then hold it for 1 second, squeeze the shoulder muscle. Then with the control, bringing the barbell to the starting position. If you want, you can do this exercise standing also. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Seated dumbbell lateral raises. Target muscle side shoulder. Keeping the elbow slightly bended, sit on the bench with lightweight dumbbell in both hands and lift the dumbbell to the side until your dumbbell reach shoulder level and then slowly bringing the dumbbell back to the starting position. If you want, you can perform it while standing also. To develop wider shoulder, this is a very good exercise. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Dumbbell upright row. Focusing on the traps and lateral deltoid. Hold the dumbbell in both hands in front of your thigh and stand straight. And then keeping the elbow above the wrist, bringing the dumbbell upward toward your chest and hold it for 1 second. And with the control form, bringing the dumbbell down to the starting position. While performing it, keep the dumbbell close to the body. Follow 3 sets and 10 to 15 reps. Cable row face pull. Target the real deltoid and upper back muscle, improving posture and shoulder stability. Attach the rope cable to the upper lock of the cable machine at shoulder height and stand short distance away from the machine and hold the rope cable with your hand facing each other. Squeezing the shoulder blade, pull the cable toward your face, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds, then with the control, bringing the cable back to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions without jerking your body. Bent over dumbbell reverse fly. Work the real deltoid, improving shoulder balance and stability. To do this, first stand in bent over position as shown in the video. Hold the dumbbell with your hand facing each other, then squeeze your real deltoid muscle. Lift the dumbbell to the side in reverse fly position, then hold it for 1 second. Then keeping the body stable, bringing the dumbbell down to the starting position. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Dumbbell front raises. Target the front shoulder muscle. You can perform it while standing or sitting on the bench. First of all, stand straight and hold the lightweight dumbbell with both hands in front of your thigh. Keeping your elbow slightly bent, lift the dumbbell straight in front of you until your dumbbell reach shoulder level. Then after holding for 1 second, slowly bringing the dumbbell down to the starting position. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions with control speed and correct form.